Hey everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting trucks on the market right now, the 2026 Ram 1500 RHO. If you've been following along with the buzz around this beast, you might be wondering about its release date, what's new for 2026, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Well, buckle up because I've got all the details right here. The 2026 Ram 1500 RHO isn't just some far-off dream, it's already here. That's right, folks. This powerhouse has been rolling off production lines since late 2024, and deliveries began early this year. So technically, the release date is now. For those who don't know, the RHO replaced the legendary TRX as Ram's high-performance halo truck, starting with the 2025 model year. And guess what? The TWEX version is essentially a carryover from last year. But that doesn't mean there aren't any updates worth talking about. While the 2026 Ram 1500 RHO shares the same DNA as the 2025 model, there are still some fresh touches to keep things interesting. For starters, Ram introduced new color options for 2026 courtesy. Think bold hues like sunset orange metallic, midnight steel gray, and arctic frost white. These colors really make the RHO stand out even more than before. Inside, everything remains top-notch. Premium materials, cutting-edge tech, and an ultra-comfy cabin continue to define the RHO experience. It's clear that Ram didn't mess with perfection, they just added a little extra flair. One cool thing about the 2026 Ram 1500 RHO is how accessible it already is. Many dealerships across the country have units in stock, ready to roll out the door. Some are even taking pre-orders for specific configurations if they don't currently have exactly what you're looking for. So, if you've been holding off thinking, I'll wait until closer to 2026, well, you're too late. The future is now. Whether you want to customize yours or grab one straight off the lot, the time to act is today. But why should you choose the RHO over other trucks? Let me break it down. First, performance. With its supercharged V8 engine pumping out ridiculous horsepower and torque, this thing eats trails for breakfast. Second, luxury. The interior rivals some high-end SUVs, making long drives feel like first-class flights. And third, versatility. Whether you're hauling gear, tackling rough terrain, or just commuting to work, the RHO can do it all. So, there you have it, the scoop on the 2026 Ram 1500 RHO. No need to wait for a release date, it's already here and it's better than ever. If you're in the market for a truck that combines raw power, jaw-dropping looks, and unmatched capability, the RHO deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, would you buy the RHO or are you sticking with another brand? Until next time, stay tuned for more automotive awesomeness. See ya!